Hey there, YouTube and DTube. My name is Pedro, or PRC in Cyberland, and I am an Avalon node leader in DTube, and I am the founder and creator of DSound, for those who don't know me. And this is another vlog. I hope it's not too windy in the sound, because I just picked this place next to my home to share with you guys. This is a dam, a very big dam in Portugal, and since Portugal is again in a severe lockdown due to this pandemonium, we cannot go anywhere, so I picked this beautiful place to share with you guys, as I usually do on my vlogs. So, related to my work, I just wanted to update you guys, because there are some things going on. Lately, I updated the DTube alerts, so some of you maybe noticed that they didn't get much warnings lately. So like today and yesterday, because I actually changed it so that redundant messages don't show anymore. So also I stopped to test the API nodes. I switched that off because there are a lot of network issues, and since I don't see much need for those messages, that some node just was down for a minute or two or anything, and I don't see many efforts to correct those network issues by load balancing or whatever. I think they are redundant and annoying for most of us, so I removed the API tests for now. When we find a way to improve that, or to get the network more redundant, then maybe it makes sense again. So I also turned off or created an ignore list, and added nano nodes to that list, because it was constantly failing a block intermittently, and for many months now I don't see any improvements on that situation. So it's annoying to all the node leaders again to receive those messages, and then when some node starts failing, most of the times people don't notice, because it's like finding a needle in a haystack. So that's the way the DTube alerts are working right now. So I wanted to share that with you. Related to my development on DSound, the development on DSound is kind of taking it easy right now, because I am in the process of finalizing the economy for DSound, and it's quite tricky. I am uniting a lot of information from the last several years, like since 2017. I am in DPoS blockchains almost full time, so I am compiling a lot of ideas and evolving that, and so on. So it's kind of tricky to implement or to share with you guys, because I want to make something new, and something that will really go again along the idea of DSound, which is mainly to improve the life of sound creators. big or small, with more stake or less stake or anything, and also be a platform for all. A platform that is uncensorable, that is not prone to cabal, like we've seen in the past and not so distant past. So yeah, that is an ongoing process, and I am really thinking hard on that and trying to make my best efforts to bring to you something economy-wise that is new, that doesn't exist, and also network-wise, because on the last stages of the proof of concept of DSound, we had already a very different IPFS network than the common ones, and it's not the generic IPFS network anymore. It's a dedicated IPFS network, and using a lot of features that are either experimental on IPFS APIs or stack, but also experimenting with the DHTs on another level that is not blockchain driven. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on technology wise that I cannot share at the moment, but will be taken to public whenever I finish some developments on that. And yeah, the most important part right now is finalize the economy and discuss with the community, because I think it's a lot important to share my thoughts with the community when they are ready to be shared, and get the feelings of the guys that have been with me for quite a while, and the users of DSound that know what they need. And yeah, that's the way community projects work, right? So that's the developments on DSound as well, and on the other development that I have, which is the authenticator and small wallet for DSound and possibly DTube as well. It has been a little bit on standby because then after 1 year of waiting, finally I got some stone workers to build some walls on my house with stone, which is kind of hard to find out in these days. And they finally got to do that work that I hired them for. So I've been almost full-time dedicated on that building of the walls on my garden and my parking space. And yeah, the last 2 weeks were kind of messy, and maybe another week more. But then I will be working on that again and trying to get some wallet rolling with some strong encryption for being the key provider with a very, very easy to use interface. But yeah, that project is more or less stopped right now. I just kept the projects that I can actually do at night or during my spare time due to this construction thing. But yeah, this is my vlog for this week or this couple of weeks, and hope that you guys enjoy this information that I shared with you, and you enjoy also this fantastic view from the middle of Portugal. And we'll see you on the next vlogs. So if you want to stay tuned with DSound and with my DTube, node leader informations, and all my technology stuff and work, please subscribe. Hit the like button for the DTube algorithm and for the YouTube algorithm as well. And let's stay connected here. Peace. See you around. Cheers.